Huiya is a race floor manufacturer in China. As a China top 10 race floor factory, we have 20 years race floor production experience. Huiya Race Floor Factory has own product appearance designer and product developing research. How to install race floor installation? We have 5 steps to install race floor. Step 1. Calculate the room size and decide which point position to start installation. Step 2. Race floor pedestal and the race floor strainer should be connected by screws. Step 3. Install race floor panel one by one. Each panel should be closed by hammer hit. Step 4. Race floor cutting machines to cut the race floor panel and install each race floors. Step 5. Finally, we will complete race floor installation. How to know more about Huiya Race Floor product? You can search our website www.huiyainc.com for more information.